Hey guys, today I'm going to be reviewing the Ice Cream Collection Chapstick. I'm out of breath because I just biked to a Dollar General on Coastal Highway for these, so I'm not doing it in selfie mode. But we're going to start with Strawberry Gelato. Got it. It's like a pinkish colored wax. Smells good. Next is vanilla bean ice cream. Break the seal. And it's a whitish color. God, that smells so good. And last but not least, orange sherbet. Got it. The wax is a bit darker than I was expecting, but this smells similar to the orange cream burst, only I get more of the orange in this one. Anyways, that's gonna be it for now. Anyways, that's gonna be it for now. Bye.